So, I think we're ready to do a quick stream right now. In this stream, we'll be back testing. Let me see if everything is live. If the live stream is live. Yep, it seems it is. So we'll be finding strategies. You see me back test, live test, forward test, backwards test. Use VOOX for 6 granite bonuses. Link in the description down below. This is episode number 6. Also, if you want to get the lowest fees in the market, MEXC, link in the description down below. I will actually share the stream. So this will be called live back testing. So we'll be back testing. If you want to see me back test, you will also see my custom scripts. This is a custom script that I've been working on for a while. I'll quickly share this everywhere. Say hi if you're just tuning in. This is the paid signals chat. So if you want to see some of my strategies in action, this is it. I'll have everything loaded up. But yeah, we've had some incredible trades before, but now it's not as good as it used to be. I'm getting live calls right now from my trades. I currently have the following trades in one of the accounts. So we have ACT long, ZRO long, Pangu long. So we're doing futures plus other stuff. But most importantly, we'll be back testing. So get some coffee brewing. Make sure you also get some coffee brewing. Also get some Coca-Cola. Don't get it mistaken. And try to find some good trades. And strategies. So the strategies that I'll be showing in this stream won't really be anywhere else. You wouldn't be able to see them anywhere else because I don't really have an incentive to share them anywhere else. So there's a few things that are left. But yeah, the live is here. Thank you to the 3 people that are currently viewing. So we'll be doing some live back testing. I want to have this here for live trades. For futures, if we decide to take something, will I be buying something on futures? That's the first question. Coffee is almost ready. There's a few things I'm quickly clearing from my computer before I start the back test. Get some coffee because this is gonna be a long session. You see exactly how I'll be trading. I'll be analyzing real strategies. I'm trying to find a funny video. If you have a funny video, let me know. That I want to add to the background. But also, I'm kind of worried. We might be... No, we're bullish again. We were about to be bearish. What is this? Oh man, no. That's not what I want. Okay, I guess we'll just leave it like that. So yeah, I've got 4 longs right now. I am interested in closing them, to be honest, because the market is not as good as it should be right now. The only one I'm scared of closing is Pengu because it's down. All the other trades are good. Coffee is brewing. So act, I might close. Are we getting any good alerts right now? So we have Catty. Catty has been a good trade a lot of times. Oh, Catty is in a fair value gap right now. Catty is not looking bad. The issue is the buy side liquidity has already been swept. And this is a breaker block, so we'll probably hit that, so won't want to be holding a position. At this time, so this is a breakup structure, which is good. We have a breaker block, which is very good. So this will very likely be swept. I want to think that this is a trade that I can take. So let me go to the 15 minute. I want to see. This 15 minute was swept a few times. Okay, the coffee is ready. So the strategy that I'll be testing is a strategy that my assistant Toshko gave me. This trade is interesting, but I really feel like at least the 1 hour should be hit, right? So what I'll do here is get this out of here and I'll add an alert for this. We're also getting other alerts like this one. This can be a good alert, to be honest with ya. To be honest with ya, this can be a good alert. 1427, 2627. So 27 is the real deal. What about the 15 minute? 15 minute might be right now. or 29. So 29 is the 15-minute. Let's check math. We also are getting alert for math. So okay, the fair value gap is swept. Oh no, that's a 3% that I just missed. Oh no. I can still try to get a few percent on this trade, so I'll definitely be getting this trade now. This is something I definitely want to get. So I will be looking to 5-3-10, maybe 5-3-10. That's math. Let's check out math. Use the TP. This is a trade I'll quickly take. Math. It seems like I got out of math. Yeah. With some profit, which is always good. Peng is letting me down. Do we have one very good trade? Not okay trade, like super good. Let's move to Heikin-Ash. I just want to see this upward momentum that we forgot to have at this point in time. What did we have on the 15-minute? So that was very steep, but we had an order block. We don't have an order block right now. We have the order block here, so we do have a few levels to aim towards. So we can take a few trades right now. If you want to follow my trades, again, link in description down below to join my group. If you want to follow trade with the lowest fees, VOOX and MEXC. Okay, this might be the trade I'm looking for. Yep, we have a breaker block and we have this. So I would be targeting probably 1166. That's actually a very decent trade. Okay, that's in the futures for today. I already have my alert set, so I don't have to check anything. What I will be doing now is we'll open up two things at the same time. So we'll be checking out another variation in the my bot section. So we're going for another variation. Let me make sure everything is zoomed in and easy for you to see. I need to be looking at this and this at the same time. And now we will be going for some tests. So I will copy this, go on the right, paste. We'll do. How can you hear me? Is it good? Thin and easy. Yep, it's very good. We will be going for another strategy that I wanted to test for a while. So you can ask me, you can tell me what pairs do you want me to see. And I'll trade them. Let's start with this one. So we'll go for pairs that are actually down a lot. I'll quickly open this up on my other screen and remove the X screener from here. Okay, let's go now. We are looking into potentially trade coins with okay liquidity while they're dumping. So when we get a nice dump on a coin, like a 1 day coin, this will be the thesis that I'll be testing today. Potentially we'll be buying here, maybe here, and this is exactly what I want to see. So I want to see big pumps going into a dump and then us buying it. So this would be a potential trade, but I don't want to see this because it already pumped, so we'll get invalid results. So we'll go here, we'll go for watch list. Bitcoin got a sell alert. Let me just check that. So what is truly happening? We're still bullish. We still have levels to be swept. We're before the manipulation zone, which starts in pretty much 30 minutes from now. Let me check what I've wrote as rules. Yeah, 30 minutes from now. Yeah, it's at a fair value gap, so I wouldn't be worried. This would definitely pump from here, and in my opinion, at least. I will also be adding to my... Is it even smart to do that? To my one trade. Because buyers are still in control, so I would be adding more size to my one trade. But that would be it. Now we need a nice pump, Bitcoin to pump like 200 bucks and we'll be ready. So I will go ahead and open up Safari again. And we'll go to the JC highs first and foremost. I think I have a few more spreadsheets. Few more lists. Yep, MNOG. Okay, let's start with this one. So open a 4 that will backtest, actually one by one. We'll backtest them, so we'll only buy them when we are dumping. So every dump we would be interested in buying. The first dump that we've had after 5 days of this token being live is this one. So we need a pump to go into a dump, and at one point during the dump we normally would be interested in buying. So normally around here we would be interested in buying, by the way. So we get to here, and when do we buy? I would have an alert here, so I'll probably do this price long, and I gotta decide where I want to take this, but probably to at least here, but we gotta decide on that. This would be the minimum. Then we would go for, this is also a dump, a nice one at that, that we can go and try to get some odds on. So for trades like this, I'll probably target this for 100% ROI. Here are a few trades, other trades that I'll go for. So probably around here, I'll be interested in buying. So it has to be, yeah, at least a day. So maybe even here, maybe I would want to buy here. So this is how I would play this trade, this particular trade. What about the next one? What about the next one? And then I'll show you how I write them down. So this is buy mega dumps 24 hours after. So this would be just buying dumps regardless of the market. I love a strategy like that because it gives you a lot of flexibility, obviously. So from the dump we wait 20 hours, or at least it's going to here, at least it's going to here. So this is a level that I would go for. This sweep, this is a pretty easy sweep, so I'll mark this, these levels on the chart. Then we dump again. I'll be interested in buying for sure. I'll probably go for here to here, and then we dump again to these levels that I would again want to be buying. And I wouldn't really want to do 15%, I don't know about 10%ers. I think I'll go for 20 all the time. And then we have a dump again, and when it becomes very red, right, as high as the pump, this is actually a good time to buy. So this, but this is a good coin, so that will be, I don't know, I feel like it's not even gonna be fair to have this. I think I can definitely go for a trade here if we dump a little bit more. I think a very good strategy is, yeah, I'll be buying this on a personal account because I'll be testing this strategy a little bit more before doing something crazy. But I like it. Okay, while transferring money, I'll quickly go to the toilet because I can do that from there. And then I'll be back in like 1 minute, 2 minutes, so stay here. I'm back and I'm ready to do a trade or two. So also need to authenticate the account. This is a very good trade, so I'll quickly buy it on a test account. And just like so, 7.7. I will announce it in the signals chat that we're buying it. So this is a bear market strategy. So it should be good. You know, bear market 23.17 is where I want to sell at. 3.17. Okay, so we've got the futures trade on. We've got this trade on. It would be very good if we can get some quick wins, like 1 or 2 very quick wins. The issue with these dips is if you're not careful, you can end up buying a falling knife. This is the issue. So realistically, this would be the trades. Test. I want to make sure there's some music. Because I'll have some music on. Okay, test, test, test. Test. Let me see if the sound is good. We also got an alert, which is good. Yeah. Okay, it's not bad anymore. Just in case, I'll put music from here. Centuries. Okay, now I can hear music. Now it's better. I can backtest like this all day. As though to go, you will remember me. Remember me for Just one mistake is all it would take to go in history. Remember me for centuries. Hey, yeah. Well, hey, yeah. Remember me for centuries. Okay, so now let's write everything down, every single trade that we took. Now we gotta write it down. Some weddings are told, some time to go, stand to go. You remember me. I'll probably make 20% on this or 30% in like 25 minutes. Hey, well, hey, remember me? 22 hours, 55%. And the opposite of amnesia. 2 days and 13 hours, that's 61 hours, 32%, 61 hours, 32%. We have a buy confirmation Bitcoin. Ooh, look at that. Look at magic. Man, I missed it. There's no way. There's no way. I'm up so much. I told you. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This is crazy. Let me just quickly buy magic. Because this is going to be a crazy trade. 1441 easily. 1441. How did I get filled at such a bad price? Well, I just pumped the price of this token. Am I stupid? Yes, I'm stupid. Okay, that was a good profit. Stuart, we can hear your voice but no music, just so you know. Perfect. I bought too much. I bought 40 grand worth of magic and I shouldn't have. It will pump. Why is Bitcoin dropping though? Pengu, I really want to close Pengu now. It's been too long. I just gonna learn for Bitcoin, but it's not the buy I wanted to see. I'm down 700 bucks on this trade. That was a big mistake. I bought 46 grand worth. Why did I buy 40 grand worth of this? This was such a mistake. I misclicked. The only way I get out of this trade is if Bitcoin reverses now. Bitcoin is looking good on 3 minutes because it printed a fake signal. We just swept the liquidity. We should be reversing, to be honest, like easily. This will be such a pain to get rid of. Come on. 41.65. This is gonna be the hardest trade I've had today. How could I buy 40 grand of an illiquid coin? And there was nothing. There's buys. There's 50. There's really good buys on the. Come on, these were bots that front ran me very hard. I can get out, but we need a pump to 65. Get out at 65. We will retest it. Okay, so while that's happening, let's quickly continue the back test. So 36% in 7 hours. Man, I hate making mistakes like that. I hate making mistakes like that. This was very unfortunate. So 10 hours, 32%. That's about 20% in 32 hours. I was right, 20. Also, I have slippage in mind because I'm trading with size, as you can see, and I'm moving prices for no apparent reason. 23 hours for 11%, 23, 25 for 11%. That's actually a pretty good strategy. Okay, so that's looking good. I want to check a bad coin. YZY might be it. Okay, easy will be interesting. So, what kind of trade can we see? The first trade can be here. Definitely something interesting. And yeah, this is exactly how to play it. So we have this. I'll probably just do this, or this, or maybe this. So in this situation, the issue is that I might be interested in buying here, which would be a mistake. Let me see the EMAs. I feel like this strategy can be upgraded with a 9 EMA, yeah, because then I wouldn't be buying here. And that way, the first time that I would be interested in buying is here, which would not be a good, but won't be a terrible trade. Wouldn't be the worst trade I've done. Maybe even from here. No, probably from here. I want to see what Bitcoin is doing. So Bitcoin definitely needs to pump here. We are at a very important area. We need to retest this. We definitely need to retest this. This week is very bad for Bitcoin. If we do not, because this right now it seems like all of this was just shorts opened, so this got absorbed, shorts closed then opened, and this was not closed positions. These were open long and then open shorts that were stronger than the longs. So we have trap longs, trap shorts. This is very important. What will happen right now? This would take 72, 91 hours for 60%. 93 for 61%. Or 92, whatever. This is actually very good ROI. How am I getting out of this stupid trade? How? We have massive buying orders, by the way, sitting at 32. Okay, that already rolled. For hours, 14%. But I'll make it. Four hours, 45 minutes, 32. 33, 4 hours, 45 minutes, so that's 75%.